just giving you some before images before the work begins. Guess what I am going to do today? Yep, pressure wash my driveway. Eventually I'm gonna have to get it, break it up and repave it, but for right now I'm just going to get up and remove some of that buildup that has been sitting here, and then also on the exterior of my house as well. So just wanted to give you some before images before the project begins. To be continued. Okay, so as I mentioned, today I am going to do a bit of pressure washing today, and I'm going to begin pressure washing on my sidewalks. So as you can see, this is what it looks like now, and I've actually already started pressure washing, and so this is what it will look like after. So I'm going to actually walk you through the process on how it started out looking like this first, and to turn it into this. All right, and so the equipment that I'm using is this is a Craftsman 7.25 series. So this is what I'm using today to pressure wash my sidewalk that we just saw. And so basically this is the gear here that I'm going to use. I'll sit it down here so you can see. That's the gear I'm going to use there. Okay, and this is the trigger here, but this is the safing knot, so you have to press that first in order to get the trigger to engage. And I have two devices I can use when using this pressure wash. There's this one with the yellow top, and then there's this one with the red top. The red top, that is used when you need to cut into more of those hard to get up type of debris. And then the yellow one is pretty much just like a spray. You know, you can use that, you know, like to sweep away the extra residue that may be sitting around. So I'm going to take you through that. And so to get this baby started, you take your water hose like I have here, and you connect it. There's a piece down here where you can connect it into, and you just screw the water hose in like that. Okay, I'm working on my hand here. Second. Let me sit it down so you can see it's better. All right, so that's in there. So once you got it in there, um, that's where the water is going to come out from there, and this is the trigger holes here to where you're going to get all that pressure. So this is for the water flow, and this is where you're going to get that pressure from. And then the next thing you do in order to get it started is this is the off and on button that the circle shows that it's off, and to turn it on, you turn it on that way. And then here is where you will pull this just like a lawnmower. You pull that and it'll get started. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the end result. Like I say, you know, you may want to touch it up some more to get every little nick and cranny up, but hey, you saw it before, so I believe this is pretty good. And so this is the after. All right, and so I just pretty much got it all wrapped up there, ready to go again. There are other areas of the house I will be pressure washing, so I'm not for sure if I'm going to video that, but I would just wanted to give you guys just a glimpse on how to use a pressure washer and what are the before and after results of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like it and share it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.